Powamoto, your ultimate source for motorcycle reviews and news. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at two of the most iconic Aprilia motorcycles, the RSV4 and the Tuono 1100 factory. We'll cover their specs, features, history, and recent updates to help you make an informed decision on which one might be the best fit for you. Motorcycle reviews on
Introducing Powamoto, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to raw.
Powamoto!
Let me hear it! Yeah! Let me hear it!
Let's start with the RSV4, which is known for its incredible performance and agility on the track. It has a curb weight of around 440 pounds and a seat height of 33.5 inches. Oh my gosh! It can go from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. The RSV4 is also capable of reaching top speeds of over 180 miles an hour, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles on the market. More power to the moto. Now let's take a closer look at the Tuono 1100 factory.
17?
The green tail. They call it the green tail.
Oh, that's called the green tail.
Yeah, the 18s had the red tail.
Aprilia. Is it RSV?
No, this is a Tuono factory. Look at my license plate. My license plate will tell you the proper pronunciation.
Okay, don't look him up. He's packing, but Tuono. Oh, so it's called the Aprilia. Tuono.
This has the upgraded RSV Race.
Which is designed for the riders who want the performance of the RSV4, but with a more upright riding position and comfortable ergonomics. The Tuono 1100 factory has a slightly higher curb weight of around 460 pounds and a seat height of 32 inches. It can also go from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds and has a top speed of over 165 miles per hour. Oh my God! In terms of fuel efficiency, the RSV4 and the Tuono 1100 factory get an average of around 35 to 40 miles per gallon, depending on the riding style and conditions. As for the price, the RSV4 starts around $18,000, while the Tuono 1100 factory starts around $17,000. Not a big difference, so take your pick. You want to ride up high, comfortable around town, or you want to get down lean and do the race thing? Take your pick. Sky Champion likes them both. But let's not forget about the history of these two legendary motorcycles. The RSV4 was introduced in 2009 as the successor to the RSV1000R. It quickly became a favorite among racers and enthusiasts for its advanced electronics, superb handling, and powerful engine. The Tuono 1100 factory, on the other hand, was introduced in 2015 as the naked version of the RSV4. Naked, I like it a lot. It offered a more comfortable riding position, but it still packed a punch with the same performance and technology as its super sport sibling. In recent years, both the RSV4 and the Tuono 1100 factory have undergone several updates and improvements. For example, the RSV4 received a major redesign in 2019 with a new chassis, swing arm, and fairings. It also features advanced electronic systems such as traction control, wheelie control, and launch control. That's more power to the moto.
Oh my God! Oh, snap!
The Tuono 1100 factory has also received several updates, including a new TFT dash, improved suspension, and updated electronics. Oh my God! And that's it for our review of the Aprilia RSV4 and the Tuono 1100 factory. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in your search for the perfect motorcycle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more motorcycle reviews on Powamoto. Subscribe today! Hey guys. guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!